Authoring Tools helps you easily convert courses into multiple languages. A few have a built-in translation feature, while others come with translating plugins. Some authoring tools have rich multimedia library and other assets, while others have a very basic repository. Select an ideal one based on your needs. Next up, look for authoring tools that allow course content to be accessed from any device like desktops, laptops, and mobile phones. Some authoring tools provide you the option to completely personalize your e-learning, while others offer very few options. Some offer minimal customization, while others have a plethora of personalization options. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Choosing a rapid authoring tool is an important decision and must be made after careful considerations, and these surefire tips will help you choose the right one. For more insights, check out our ebook.